selling your home? Well, want to save money without sacrificing results? You're in the right place. Selling can be exciting, but let's be real. It can also feel expensive. The good news, there are plenty of ways to cut costs and still sell for top dollar. Hey there, I'm Cheryl Folks with Superior Town and Country Group at eXp Realty. And today I'm sharing top money saving tips to help you sell smart. Price it right from the start. Overpricing. That's a costly mistake. If your home sits too long, buyers may assume something's wrong, and guess what? You'll likely end up lowering the price anyway. Work with an experienced agent like me who knows the market and can help you price your home right so it sells quickly and at the best price. Focus on budget-friendly upgrades. You don't need to break the bank on renovations. Instead, invest in small updates that make big impacts, like fresh paint. A little goes a long way. Updating your fixtures. Swap out lighting, cabinet hardware, curb appeal. Simple landscaping makes a great first impression. These affordable fixes can make your home feel fresh and move-in ready without draining your wallet. Decluttering and stage smartly. Decluttering equals free and makes huge differences. A clean, organized space looks bigger, more inviting, and helps buyers picture themselves living there. A pro tip, store away excess furniture, clear countertops, and open up spaces to create a bright, airy feel buyers love. Use high-quality marketing without extra cost to you. Work with an agent who invests in top-notch marketing because let's be real, today's buyers start online. Professional photos and 3D tours, targeted digital marketing and social media exposure. A large, strong marketing plan will equal more buyers, more offers, and faster sales. Negotiate like a pro. Once you're under contract, a great agent will help you negotiate fairly on things like closing costs, repair requests, so that you don't overspend unnecessarily. Bottom line, selling smart equals more money in your pocket. Selling doesn't have to be a financial burden, you just need the right game plan. If you're thinking about selling and want more money, saving tips, let's chat. My team and I are here to make your selling experience smooth, profitable, and stress-free. Call, text, or message me today. Let's get your home sold for top dollar.